In this video, we will learn about adaptation in animals. Living things have the ability to adjust or adapt to their surroundings. This is called adaptation. A habitat is the natural surrounding where an animal lives. A mountain goat or a yak can live easily in the mountains, while donkey or a cow prefer the flat plains. Human beings find it easy to live on land, while fish can live only in water. In this video, today we will learn about terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. These animals have limbs that help them move on land. They adapt themselves to their habitats. A camel lives in the desert, a hot and dry place that gets very little rainfall. Now, how camel adapt itself in that hot desert? It has broad feet almost as large as dining plates. This helps it to walk easily on the soft sand without sinking. It can store food in the form of fat in its hump. It can store water in its stomach. This helps it to go without food and water for many days. It has thick leaves so that camel can eat desert plant without feeling the pain. It has long eyelashes that keep the sand out. It can shut its nostrils to keep out sand. It has an extra transparent eyelid that can move from side to side. To remove the sand, it can see while walking through the sandstorms with closed over its eyes. Now, how animals lives in Arctic region? A polar bear lives in the cold Arctic regions that is covered with snow for most of the years. How polar bear adapt themselves to the surrounding? It has broad paws with rough skin and rough hair on them so that it does not slip while walking on ice. It has short, strong claws on its paws to catch prey and grip ice. It has two layers of fur and a thick layer of fat just below its skin to protect it from the cold. It can close its nostrils while diving. It can swim for many hours in icy water without getting tired. Its hair can easily shake off ice and water. Its good sense of smell helps it to smell its prey that is very far away. It has a black skin that absorbs heat so that it can be warm. Its fur that looks white is actually transparent and allows light to pass through. It has an extra transparent eyelid. It keeps it closed to protect its eyes from snow blindness and while swimming underwater.